Hello friends, today I am going to do veg burger. For the veg burger what we need veg aloo tikki. What the ingredients? The ingredients are aloo, beans, carrot, onions, chili, salt, masala, pepper, bread grated. Take a bowl and take a aloo and take beans, some beans and onions and grate it. After adding all, add some grated bread and mix. After mixing the all, and add some pepper. Then mix. Some paste tikki and make like a round tikki. Sprinkling the aloo tikki. Prepare the all tikkis. After preparing the aloo tikkis, take some crunchy bread and pour it on the aloo tikki. Take a round and press. Make like this. Then we have to keep our aloo tikki and again pour the red crunchy. Baked aloo tikkis on pan. And we have to take some ghee. We have to take again then take some ghee. Once it is baked, we have to take I didn't feel anything there. Take the burger and cut into 2 pieces. After cutting the bread into 2 pieces, we have to keep our breads again.
Just
we have to take our 2 pieces and fry it on the pan with ghee. First we have to take some ghee and pour and keep in one and take others and keep that also and have to press. Our aloo tikkis are ready and our burger buns are also ready. Now let's start to how to do the veg burger. Take first a veg burger 1 piece, and take some chili sauce. After our chili sauce, we have to spread our chili sauce with our spoons. And take other piece and take some mayonnaise sauce. After spreading the mayonnaise sauce, take some cheese and spread. On 2 pans. First, we have to take top-ups. This is cabbage. We have to lay on both, and only keep one thicker. And when you add sauce, you like sauce, you can add, or it will be too yummy too. Afterwards, add onions and some keera. After adding keera, add tomato and place others. Our yummy burger done. Now let's taste. It is too good and too good. It is too nice too. Hope you like our video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. More updates from cooking. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.